Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, which I hope is perhaps your favorite doodle channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Godzilla, but we're going to make him really cute. And I know you're probably thinking, how in the world can you make Godzilla cute? Okay, we're going to do our best and we're going to do it. I believe in us. All right, so I'm going to sketch everything out with my pencil, and then I'm going to go over all my pencil lines with a black marker, and then after that, I'm going to erase all of my pencil lines so that you can't see those anymore, and you can just see the black marker, and then I'm going to add in some color after. All right, so before we get started on our drawing, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe, and all that good stuff really helps out the channel, and I love it when you do. All right, so we're gonna start drawing Godzilla by his eyeballs. So they are gonna be big and round. So we're just gonna do two circles right now, two big circles. And inside those two big circles, we are gonna do two more big circles. I'm gonna color those in dark. And he's looking a little bit angry, so we're gonna give him eyebrows that are pointed downwards. he's not looking super cute yet. He's looking more angry than anything else. Okay, so now he needs his like mouth snout area. So we're gonna come on down here and round out this nose and bring it up almost into like a little smile. And give him like a little U shape here. And he's got some sharp teeth, but he's gonna be a cute Godzilla, so we're gonna make his teeth kind of round. Because if they're round, he's not as scary. Okay, so let's give him the bottom of his mouth and the top of his head. And folks, if I'm going too fast, feel free to stop the video, pause it, go back. Whatever works for you. Okay, we're gonna give him two little strokes here for his nostrils, and now we're gonna come on down a little bit and give him a little bit of a neck, and he needs arms. So we're gonna give him 1, 2, 3 claws. And we can do little curved lines there to separate what's claw and what is the rest of his arm. And now we can give him a bit of a belly. And let's give him his leg. So we're gonna come on down, and he's gonna have 1, 2, 3 claws there on his foot. And now we can come on up here on his backside. And let's give him his other foot. So his other leg here. And come on down. And we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 toes. Claws for toes. And come on up. And we can do a little curved line here to separate what is a claw and what is the rest of his foot. And he needs another arm. So let's come over here and come down and then come on over that way. And we'll give him 1. Well, actually, he's going to have an extra claw here as opposed to right here, because this is going to be his little like thumb claw. Whereas on this side, you don't see that. So he's got his little thumb claw there. And then let's do another one. So 1, 2, and 3. And then he's got his little thumb. And we can bring that on in. And we can do those little curved lines to show what is claw and what is the rest of his arm. And now, of course, he needs a tail. So let's come on out and do a curved tail. And he also needs those spikes on his back. So they're kind of all different sizes. I'm just kind of making them a little wavy. Making some small and some are larger. And I'm gonna continue those on his tail too. But you can see that the page is cutting off some of our little spikes, but that's okay. All right, so now we're mostly done our picture, but I'm gonna actually add in some buildings because Godzilla is gonna be terrorizing this city. So I'm just doing some tall rectangles here and going over that way. And come on down. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm using my eraser here now. I didn't like what I had done. And that's what erasers are for. Okay, so I'm gonna do a line here and he's gonna be stepping on that ground. And then these are just gonna be some buildings that he is terrorizing. And I'm gonna give one a pointed roof. And maybe we'll have one in behind. And I'm gonna put a pile of little squares in these buildings just to kind of show they're kind of representing windows. And I'll put a door here. Put a door here and some more windows. And you can put as many windows as you want, or if you want, you don't even have to do any of these buildings. It's totally up to you. All right, folks, so right now I'm going to go over all my pencil lines with this black Sharpie, and then I'll erase all my pencil marks and I'm gonna get to coloring. So we're gonna speed up this part to make it go a little bit faster. All right, folks, so we are finished our cute Godzilla. I think it did indeed turn out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below if you think we accomplished our goal of making Godzilla adorable or not. And folks, don't forget that there's still a contest going on right now at Daily Doodle, so all the information for that, if you're interested, is in the description box below this video. So everybody, thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really good day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, everybody, goodbye!